Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were using your app but you are going through this Garmin Connect not loading. You're gonna ask me what's going on. It's my first time. I'm opening the app, there is a spinning wheel, nothing loads. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through all of them fixes needed to fix this type of issues, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, check if you have the latest version. By going through the Play Store or App Store depending on your operating system, go all the way, search bar, look for Garmin Connect, then tap on the app. If you can see any update button, just go ahead and tap it, wait a couple seconds, then you may use the app. Since outdated app may cause you a lot of major loading and connection issues. As for the resetting, if updating doesn't fully help, you should go all the way and force quit the Garmin Connect app, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your phone, then restart your watch by holding the light button for like 15 seconds. This clears most stuck states. So all you're gonna do, so we are using here Garmin Connect app, usual stuff, go all the way, swipe it up, then go all the way to the Bluetooth settings, turn it off and on, then restart your phone, restart your watch also, and reconnect the watch to the phone again. And that's it, but if it's still not loading, you should go and try removing and repair. So I'm coming here on Bluetooth, activated Bluetooth, tap on details. So find my watch in this list, then tap on this gear icon, tap on unpair. Then I'm going back all the way to my Garmin Connect app. I must be fully connected to the internet to access this dashboard. Log in and all of this, tap on more Garmin devices, then tap on add device and add your device again. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.